Hello dear students and welcome to English for Palestine, grade 12. In our learning situation, we will finish Unit 1, Period 2, Reading Comprehension. The title is Stepping Outside Your Comfort Zone, paragraphs 2 and 3. Our main objectives for this lesson are, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to 1. Answer comprehension questions about the reading text. 2. Identify the main ideas of the paragraphs of the text. 3. Identify some pronoun references in the reading text. Paragraph 2. The main idea of this paragraph is the importance of stepping outside the comfort zone. As you can see at the beginning of this paragraph, we have on the other hand phrase. Now this phrase means however, or it gives a different opinion. Of course, as we have studied the first paragraph, we talked about the benefits of getting or staying inside the comfort zone. In this paragraph, we have a different opinion or different opinions about comfort zone. The first one is from self-help books. And the second one is from many studies. Now, after reading the paragraph, you are going to answer 2 questions. Answer the following questions. Number 1, what do self-help books usually recommend? Number 2, according to the text, how can people develop themselves? Now read this text and then we are going to answer these 2 questions. Now, for the answers, again, let's read the questions again. Number 1, what do self-help books usually recommend? And the answer is, they usually recommend to do things that are outside our comfort zone. And that is here. It's a good idea to do things that are outside our comfort zones. Number 2, question number 2. According to the text, how can people develop themselves? And the answer is, by learning something new, becoming more creative, or getting fit. And the answer is here. We all want to improve ourselves, for example, learning something new, becoming more creative, or getting fit. Our next part will be about true or false. Say whether the following sentences are true or false. Number 1, both self-help books and many studies focus on the importance of leaving the comfort zone. 2, feeling that you are developing is strongly connected with feeling positive. 3, people's full potential will be reached if they only do what they are able to. Now, after reading the text, we are going to answer true or false according to what you have learned from it. Now, for the answers, again, number 1, both self-help books and many studies focus on the importance of leaving the comfort zone. True. Number 2, feeling that you are developing is strongly connected with feeling positive. The answer is true. Number 3, people's full potential will be reached if they only do what they are able to. And the answer is false. Now, let's move to our next part of paragraph 3. In paragraph 3 also we have one main idea, and that is how to overcome fears and uncertainty during leaving comfort zone. Now let's start with paragraph 3. Paragraph 3 starts with a very important word, unfortunately. Why it's very important? Because it gives us a little bit of negative meaning, and it means unluckily. Now, after reading this text, we are going to answer this question. Complete the following sentences. The first sentence is, getting stuck in the comfort zone is usually caused by. Number 2, if you prefer to have new chances and experiences, you have to. Now, read the text and then complete these 2 sentences. Now let's go to the answers. Getting stuck in the comfort zone is usually caused by being afraid of failing and unsure how to begin. And this can be found in the text over here. The second sentence, if you prefer to have new chances and experiences, you have to. And the answer is, force yourself to something you would rather not do, which is over here. Now, we used here necessary also shows as the same meaning as have to. Now, to the second or the third part of our questions, which is references. What do the following refer to? Of course, now we're talking about either words, nouns, or pronouns. The first one, number 1, this, line 3. It is over here. Number 2, it, line 5. Now, what do these 2 words refer to in the text? The answers are, number 1, this line 3 refers to stuck in the comfort zone, which is right here. Number 2, it, line 5, and the answer is not trying something new, and the answer is here. And now let's move to our next part, which is true or false question. Answer by true or false. The first sentence is, the writer himself seems to be with the idea of leaving one's comfort zone. Number 2, this is the way I am and I'll never change, is an excuse for not trying something new. Are they true or false? Now, the answers. Again, number 1, the writer himself seems to be with the idea of leaving one's comfort zone. Is it true or false? And the answer is true. Number 2, this is the way I am and I'll never change, is an excuse for not trying something new. Is it true or false? And the answer is, it's true.
3, 2, 1.
Now, finally, we're getting to the final task. Number 1A, complete the sentences with the correct form of the word in brackets. B, replace the underlined parts of the sentences with words or phrases from paragraphs 2 and 3. Thank you for watching. I think we have finished comprehension text number 1, and we'll see you soon.